So pimples are inevitable, but that does not mean we cannot get rid of them. So today's video is all about 4 skincare products which I have been using since last more than 3 years, and trust me, these products have done wonders, like wonders to my skin. So I hope you all are excited the way I am excited to share my 4 major skincare products. So before jumping into the video, I want to say one thing, that whatever I'm telling you today or whatever things I'm sharing with you all today is just what I have experienced in my life so far as an individual. These all are the things which I have experienced. These are not all, like, these are not suggested by anybody. These are not something which somebody told me, any dermatologist suggested me. If you think your skin is just too damaged after looking at my pictures, if you think your skin is just too damaged and you need to see a dermatologist, nothing will help you, just go ahead with that. Okay, it totally depends upon you. It's totally your decision how you want to go ahead with. But whatever I'll share today are the things which I have experienced as an individual. Nobody has guided me, and I have a different skin type, you might have a different skin type. Your body might react to few products in a different way. My body might react to these products in a different way, and these products came out pretty helpful for my skin, but it might not happen with you. So just see to it, okay? Just analyze it, see it, and then go ahead with it, okay? So I would like to welcome you all to my channel, and you're watching Lifestyle with Neelam, and I hope this video helps you out in some or the other way. I hope this video is something which you are looking for, okay? So yeah, let's get into the video. So let's discuss about the reasons behind why do we get pimples. First thing, I literally want to discuss this, that if you're having a oily skin and you think that washing your face again and again will help you out and will make your skin balanced, then you're doing it all wrong. Your skin is secreting oil because it wants moisturization, it wants natural oil, it wants more oil on your skin. So those who have oily skin, trust me, you don't have to wash your skin too much, because if you're washing it too much, you're making it more damaged. So first reason why do we get pimples and why do we get more oils on our skin is we wash our face too much. Don't wash your face, or don't wash your body skin, in fact, too much. You don't have to do that. Second thing, we don't drink enough water. We need to have fluids in our body. We don't have that. Our next reason is we don't eat veggies and fruits which we need for a healthy diet. We don't do that. Have some veggies and fruits. Okay, and next thing is obviously hormonal changes. Hormonal changes are one of the reasons behind why do we get pimples. If you have dandruff on your scalp, okay, so when the dandruff and that oil comes on your forehead, okay, that somewhere makes your skin pimple prone as well. So you need to keep your scalp clean. So after discussing all the reasons behind why do we get pimples and what are the reasons behind getting pimples, let's discuss upon few of the things which we should do to avoid pimples, okay? Obviously, as I told you, don't wash your face too much, apply moisturizer, drink enough water, exercise. That's the major life-changing event if you will do. I mean, exercise daily, because if you will exercise, you will open up your pores, and when you will open up your pores, obviously you will sweat, your muscles will be active, your muscles are active, your pores are open, you're sweating, so your skin will breathe and you will glow naturally. And now because you are sweating, automatically you will be like, I want some water, please give me some water. Exercise can be in any form. It can be in the form of dancing, it can be in the form of running, jogging, walking, brisk walking, anything, whatever you're comfortable with. I just want you all to take out sweat. During this lockdown, we are hardly going out. We are not doing anything as such. So physical activity, I think it's obviously gonna help you in many ways. It will keep your body active. It will just help you in everything. So work out, guys, work out. And the last thing, which is totally important and which we all skip because we think our skin is oily, and sunscreen can also make it more oily. It's okay if your skin is getting oily. It's totally fine. You have tissue, you can dab it on your skin and just, but don't go out without sunscreen, okay? So the first product I will be talking about is Bija Trouble Skin Toner. So this product is from Innisfree. All the products which I use are from Innisfree except my sunscreen. Just put a few drops of this toner on a cotton pad and then apply it on your skin. You will see that all your pores are deeply cleansed, okay? Your pores are deeply cleansed, and then this toner blocks your pores so that no other impurities or dirt can get inside your skin. And after applying this toner, let your skin breathe. Let this toner get settled down on your skin. Give it 1 minute. After this toner is all dried up, your skin has absorbed all the important chemicals or nutrients, whatever it has on your skin, you can go ahead with the moisturizer. It does have a salicylic acid as well, which basically makes sure that your oils, your natural oils, are blocked in there. So the next product which I'll be talking about is Bija Trouble Lotion. So it's a cream basically which has salicylic acid, which is just perfect for oily plus combination skin. I mean, if you have a oily skin or a combination skin, you can just go ahead with this because it helps you control your natural oils on skin. It helps you remove redness, dark spots from your skin. It basically helps you with the pimple. It controls your pimples as well. Apart from that, it helps you to regenerate your skin. I mean, we all are young enough to get new skin. I mean, you must have noticed that whenever you get any whenever you get hurt and there is a scratch on your skin automatically gets healed, right? So in same way, the dark spots or the spots or the pimples on your skin can be healed as well. So this Bija Trouble Lotion have those products in it which will help you out to regenerate your skin and help you out with fresh, healthy, new skin which you just need right now. But yeah, you have to be patient enough. You don't have to rush for things. I mean, at least give 1 to 2 months with these products, and even after 1 or 2 months you don't feel any difference, you're still uncomfortable with these products, you can just change it. But trust me, when I started using these products, I was like, I need to have faith. Okay, I've already applied n number of products and nothing was helping me. Now I need to trust. I need to trust myself. I need to trust these products. I have to maintain my psychology in such a way that yeah, these will be helpful for me. So moving on to our next product, it is Bija Cica Balm, which is totally useful for me because sometimes it happens that your whole skin is fine but you get 1 or 2 pimples on your skin. So it's not like a normal moisturizer which I have just shown you. It is like occasionally when you get pimples, like once in a blue moon you're getting 1 pimple and you want to get rid of it as soon as possible. So what you have to do, you have to just take 1 pump of it, apply it over that dark spot or that pimple, and then just tap it like this and just leave it for whole night and keep doing this thing for next 3 to 4 days, and you will see the difference by yourself. That pimple is vanishing. That pimple is just going away. So that's a good thing. So You don't have to apply it all over your skin, okay? Just remember that you have to just put a drop of it on that particular pimple and you're good to go, okay? And use it, don't use it during daytime, use it at night time. It's like a night cream, okay? It's like a night cream. You have to just put it on that particular spot and leave it for whole night. Finally we are coming on our last product and I'm so happy. So that is our sunscreen. So this is not from Innisfree, this is Innisfree. I mean, I have used their sunscreen. That sunscreen is good too, but I felt that is quite expensive, so I was comfortable using Neutrogena, so I thought let's not change it, let's stick to this only. But if you want to use Innisfree sunscreen, that's good as well. So I wanted something which is of more SPF, so I got this Neutrogena sunblock of 50 SPF. So when you will start applying this, okay, you might feel that your skin is getting oily or you can see some white patches of the cream, but that's okay. Just give it 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you will see that this sunblock got settled on your skin. Your skin has absorbed the cream and now your skin looks all perfect. And even if you still feel uncomfortable after 20 minutes also, so what you can do is you can just pick up any compact whatever you have, and or any powder, in fact it can be any powder, Johnson's baby powder, any powder. Dab those powder products on your skin after applying sunscreen. So I think it will be beneficial. So just use this sunscreen no matter how oily it is, no matter how patchy it looks, but trust me, it's okay. You just have to adjust with these creams. After getting used to these products, it will be all perfect, okay? But don't use any sunscreen, whatever you want, but don't go out of your house without using sunscreen, because all the dark spots, all the pimples which you already have on your face, it will get more damaged because of the sun rays, because of the UV rays. So you need to protect your pimples, you need to put a shield on your pimples using these sunscreen. Use whatever sunscreen you are comfortable with. But so I hope all these products, all these informations were helpful to you in some or the other way. If you have any product in your list which you have been using since years and you want to tell me, please comment down below. I want to know the name of that product and maybe I'll give it a try, because I'm just bored of these products. I want to try something new finally for my skincare. So let me know if you know any product which you think is helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section. So thank you everybody for watching my video. I hope this was helpful for you all. Yes, I will say it today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Okay, bye. Take care everybody. Take care of yourself. Take care of everybody and exercise. Bye.